Good morning students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will start new topic in GK and the topic is exploring science. In this topic we will study about elements and about circulatory system. So the first chapter is elements. Before starting this chapter, I am telling you something about elements. In chemistry and physics, an element is a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler components by any non-nuclear chemical reaction. An element is uniquely determined by the number of protons in the nuclei of its atoms. The number of protons in the nucleus of the atom of an element is known as the atomic number of that element. An element is a substance that is made entirely from one type of atom. Atom means anu in Hindi. For example, the element of hydrogen is made from atoms containing a single proton and a single electron. If you change the number of protons and atoms as you change the type of element it is. Currently, scientists know of 118 different elements. Some like gold, silver, copper and carbon have been known since thousands of years. In total, 118 elements have been identified. The first 94 occur naturally on Earth, and the remaining 24 are synthetic elements produced in nuclear reactions. Listen, now move to chapter Name the elements. Okay? An element is a type of atom that is defined by the atomic number, the number of protons in the nucleus. The term also refers to a pure chemical substance composed of atoms with the same number of protons. There are 118 chemicals elements, out of which 94 occur naturally on Earth. Name the elements. An orange pink element used to make electrical wires and cables, and the name of this element is copper. Why we use copper element to make electrical wire? Because copper is a good conductor of electricity. Turns to liquid at room temperature, also known as quicksilver, and the name of this element is mercury. The color of that mercury element is silver. Okay, a white colored element used in developing of photographic negatives. The name of this element is silver. A deficiency of this leads to a disease called goiter. Iodine. All of you know about iodine, and we can get iodine from salt and from seafoods. Used in the process of galvanization while electroplating an iron object. Zinc. Used for giving a white polish to costume jewelry. Rhodium. Identify the symbols and write the names of the elements. Chemical symbols are used to standardize the language of chemistry and to identify elements and atoms in a chemical formula easily. Chemical symbols consist of one or two letters, most often derived from the name of the elements. Okay? Identify the symbols and write the names of the elements. Cu copper, Au gold, Pb lead, Ag silver, Hg mercury, Sn tin. Now see students, origin of chemical symbols. Why we originate the symbols for these elements? So what are the origin of these chemical symbols? As early chemists, known as alchemists back then, discovered the fascinating world of chemistry, they often symbolized their newly discovered elements by weird icons like the one shown here. शुरू में जब इन एलिमेंट्स का डिस्कवर हुआ था तो इस तरीके के साइंस दिए गए थे जो कि प्रॉब्लमेटिक थे किसी भी रिएक्शन को डिफाइन करने में, या जो भी साइंटिस्ट डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं, इन्वेंट कर रहे हैं, जो भी केमिकल रिएक्शंस हो रहे हैं एलिमेंट्स के बीच में, उनको इन सिंबल की हेल्प से डिफाइन करना मुश्किल था। इस वजह से फिर इनको इस तरीके से सिंबल दिए गए। टिन, the symbol of tin is Sn. Why? Because the name of timber in Latin word is stannum. Lead Pb, Latin word plumbus. Gold Au, Latin word aurum. Sulfur sulphurium. Mercury Hd, because from the Latin word hydroserum meaning liquid silver. Silver Ag, from the Latin word argentum. And iron, Latin word ferrum. Students, I hope you have understood the chapter elements, and now move to another chapter, circulatory system. Okay, this is the picture of our circulatory system. Okay, A artery shown in red color and V vein shown in blue color. Now I am giving you example. Now I am telling you why we shown artery in red color by red color and vein by blue color. The human circulatory system, red indicates oxygenated blood carried in arteries, क्योंकि arteries में जो blood होता है उसमें ऑक्सीजन होता है. Blue indicates deoxygenated blood carried in veins, capillaries, which join the arteries and veins. And the lymphatic vessels are not shown in this picture. Okay? और जो आपके वेन्स जो ब्लू कलर में शो किए गए हैं, क्यों शो किए गए हैं? क्योंकि जो वेन्स में जो ब्लड होता है वो ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड नहीं होता, उसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होता है, इसीलिए वेन के कलर को हम ब्लू पे शो करते हैं और रेड के कलर और आर्टरी का कलर हमारा रेड होता है हमारी बॉडी में. ओके, नाउ मूव टू चैप्टर द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. Filling the box is using the words given in the help box. Before starting the chapter, I am telling you about circulatory system. The circulatory system, also called the cardiovascular system or the vascular system, is an organ system that permits blood to circulate and transport nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide and blood cells to and from the cells in the body to provide nourishment and help in fighting disease, stabilize temperature and pH and maintain homeostasis. So सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम का क्या काम होता है? ब्लड को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना. ओके, आपके हार्ट में से जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड है उसको बाहर लाना और ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड को हार्ट तक पहुंचाना, बॉडी के हर पार्ट को न्यूट्रिशन पहुंचाना, ऑक्सीजन पहुंचाना, ये सारा काम कौन करता है? ये काम किसका होता है? सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम का होता है. नाउ मूव टू चैप्टर. फर्स्ट वन, the blood from the heart is carried to the other parts of the body by the arteries. Listen, the arteries are the blood vessels that deliver oxygen rich blood from the heart to the tissues of the body. Each artery is a muscular tube lined by smooth tissue and has 3 layers. The red blood cells contain a pigment called hemoglobin that gives blood its color. A red substance in the blood that carries the gas we need to live, oxygen, and contains iron. This is hemoglobin. Arteries and veins are joined by a network of capillaries. Capillaries, the smallest tubes in the body that carry blood. Platelets cause the clotting of the blood. Platelets, a tiny disc shaped piece of cell that is found in the blood and spleen. Platelets are pieces of very large cells in the bone marrow. They help from blood clots to slow or stop blooding and to help wounds heal. The two upper chambers of the heart are called atria. Plasma is the fluid part of the blood. Plasma, the colorless liquid part of blood in which carries water, means plasma carries water, salts and enzymes. The main role of plasma is to take nutrients, hormones and proteins to the parts of the body that need it. The pulmonary vein carries pure blood from the lungs to the heart. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart is called heartbeat. Students, I hope you have understood the circulatory system of human body. Listen the video attentively and carefully, okay, and enjoy the day.